If you were born in Napoli, you will always carry those flavor and color with you, wherever you are in the world.
Hi everyone, I'm Davide Maisso, chef of La Casina Rossa. After my experience in Capri Island and Amalfi Coast, I packed my suitcase and I left for great adventures. My first stop was Dubai. Here I opened two restaurants, Mastro Café and Mastro Restaurant. After this fantastic experience, I was ready to continue my adventure, and this time took me to Thailand.
I immediately fell in love with the nature, food, and the warm welcome of Thai citizens. I chose Phuket for my new restaurant, La Casina Rossa. I create an elegant and friendly place where everybody can feel at home.
The most successful dish alla Casina Rossa is Ragù Napoletano. Ragù Napoletano is the king of Sundays.
It starts to be cooked at sunrise to get ready for lunch. Each family has its recipe and proudly defends it.
I'm so happy to see how much the Thai customer appreciate this dish, even if it is different from Asian cuisine. Wow, a pizza. Probably the most infamous dish in the world. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy pizza. It's kind of same thing. Today, I want to introduce you a different kind of pizza. Pizza fritta.
It's a fried pizza, born in Napoli after the World War II, when most brick ovens were destroyed by bombing. The essential part of creating a dish is choosing quality raw materials. I always looking for premium ingredients for my customer, while supporting the local markets at the same time.
A good Napolitan meal cannot end without dessert.
The Napolitan pastry is tasty, rich in flavor, and combine ancient traditional recipes. Pastiera and baba are the most traditional desserts from Napoli. I still bake them by following my grandma's recipe. Neapolitan cuisine is my culture, it's my family history, and my mission is to bring it everywhere.